Like leaves, kids can fall easily. In fact, guys, falls are the leading cause of hospitalisation for children under 15 years of age. The good news is, falls can be prevented. Here are some simple tips. For babies, you should never leave a baby alone on a raised surface. When changing nappies, keep one hand on the baby at all times. They wriggle away as soon as you're not looking. Always use the harness in high chairs or prams to prevent climbing and, of course, dropping. Toddlers, they're always on the move, I know that. While they're learning to walk, their feet are like flippers, so they're constantly tripping and bumping into things. Look out for any sharp corners or other hazards and safeguard against them. Use barriers to restrict access to stairs and other hazards while you teach them to navigate and climb safely under supervision. For older children, teach them the rules and skills for climbing those favourite trees or playground equipment and how to play safely. And make sure protective gear is always used. Falls can be prevented. Together we can make sure it's only leaves that fall. Visit kidssafewa.com.au for more tips.